We're just urban explorers, we're just exploring the mill.
Police?
No, we're not police, no.
Hopefully there's no one in this one. They've put the washing up as well. To find out the history of this abandoned mill in Bradford, check in the description below of this video. Exploring an abandoned mill in Bradford that only got set on fire a couple of months ago. I'm going to check it out. Got to be careful of staying together because of... Oh.
Hello mate. Oh sorry, where are you? Down here? Oh sorry mate, I didn't mean to disturb you. We're just urban explorers, we're just exploring the mill.
Police?
No, we're not police, no. We're YouTubers.
Police?
No, we're urban explorer. We explore abandoned buildings. Yeah, well we won't disturb you mate, we'll stay up here. Hey? Yeah, we'll stay up here so we're not disturbing you. So yeah guys, just encountered I think he's a homeless person. He thinks we're the police, but I've told him we're not. Yeah.
So still homeless here.
Well, this is like, you know, mental. Look, I mean, look how burden that is up there. Yeah. And all that's giving way.
That's going to go right to him.
Back end.
That's going to go right to him on this end as well.
Okay.
It's all open.
Well,
Oh no, someone's here, so we'll leave them here and then we'll move on to the other side, away from them.
Because I will.
I had a dog, and his name was Bingo.
Window.
Oh, yeah. Bingo window.
We've got access. Hopefully there's no one in this one.
Oh, I'm attached. Oh, lift shaft. Oh, we're in the basement. This is the basement area.
Yeah. See if there's any more access.
Hey?
See if there's any more access.
Yeah, whilst we're here, just in case there's emergency backup.
You tell him it's in there, look in the corner.
Hey?
Look in the corner.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah.
It looks like, I don't know if they're there, but you can see.
Yeah, what's in that?
There's no one there, are there? No, but you can tell someone's living there. And that's fresh, look. Half that is fresh. So if they're not here, where are they?
Yeah.
Do they go down more?
Oh, I'm not going down there either.
That goes down more.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, watch where you're putting your feet, watch where you're putting your hands,
Yeah.
watch where you're breathing in.
Remember where our access is.
Yeah. Needle on the floor.
Oh, do you really want to go up another floor?
You're going to go up again, Mike, keep that light up, right open. Oh, yeah, there.
This has got fresh prints in the dust.
Yeah.
See how many Phil's got left. looks like they're just using the bottom floors.
Yeah. Right, switch back to the other one.
Oh, I can see a little bit.
Top floor.
I'm not going in next out, it's dangerous as hell and this roof looks like it's going. Hey?
I don't know if it's someone. They put the washing up as well.
I'm getting very, very...
Not someone wrapped in there, is there?
Someone's been having fun.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Car keys.
There it goes. Yeah, what's car keys doing here?
That's car keys. Oh, they ain't got their washing.
Hey?
I don't want to stop in here too long.
No, let's
Right,
get
let's
out
go.
of here.
Look, they've got all the clothes. That's a whole family.
Over there.
Do you know that's a family?
Yeah.
There's kids' clothes.
Yeah, I noticed. That's why I'm not stopping too long. Really cool. Quick today.
That's the way of it.
Yeah, that's where we
Alright.
Let's get someone. Here's that Purge guy.
Exploring too much.
Yeah.
Crack shot there.
You're a party guard.
Yeah. Get me leg out. I'm not about to get pulled back in.
Right, so I hope you enjoyed this video of the abandoned mill. We're going to get ourselves out of here. See you in the next one.